This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a cellular Fire tablet or a phone tether. Make sure your plan allows tethering to avoid extra charges. Once ready, open Settings, then Network or Wireless to find Hotspot and Tethering. This is the control center for sharing. Turn on Mobile Hotspot and immediately set a secure Wi-Fi name and password so others can connect safely. I'll explain why each option matters and what to change next, so your connection is discoverable but protected. Once the hotspot is active, tap Advanced or Configure to optimize performance. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Make sure you understand the trade-off. Limit connected devices to preserve data and battery, and set an inactivity timeout so the hotspot shuts off automatically. Also switch to WPA2 or WPA3 security and change the default SSID. This reduces interference and prevents strangers from guessing your credentials. Now connect your laptop or phone. Select the hotspot SSID and enter the password you set. You should see an IP and internet access within seconds. If a device won't connect, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart the tablet and verify mobile data and signal strength. Carriers or airplane mode often block tethering. If speeds are poor, try switching bands, disconnecting extra devices, or contacting your carrier about throttling. Keep one key tip in mind. Battery drain is normal, so charge while tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.